Toyota is often described as conservative or even boring, but this mindset is exactly what allowed the company to build one of the most durable and consistent automotive empires in history. These facts are not random. They reveal how Toyota thinks long-term, tests obsessively, and avoids decisions that don't age well. So, let's go. Fact 1. Toyota was founded in Japan in 1937 and originally came from a textile loom company, which is surprising for a brand that would become a global automotive powerhouse. Fact 2. The family's original surname was Toyota, but it was changed to Toyota for cultural reasons and because it sounded better in Japanese. Fact 3. Today, Toyota is among the world's largest automakers in annual vehicle sales. Fact 4. Toyota's logo represents the connection between the driver, the car, and the brand. Fact 5. Toyota built its reputation by making cars that last a long time, break down less, and stay on the road for generations. Fact 6. Toyota has canceled entire projects after years of development because the cars didn't age well in long-term testing, including a planned fourth-generation MR2 and the FT-HS hybrid sports car. Fact 7. Toyota currently manufactures vehicles in more than 25 plants across about 8 major industrial regions worldwide, including Japan, the United States, Europe, Asia, and Latin America. Fact 8. The Toyota production system revolutionized the auto industry with lean manufacturing, influencing nearly every modern automaker. Fact 9. The Toyota Corolla was born from internal disagreements. One side wanted a simple, affordable car, while the other wanted something more refined. The final result combined both ideas. Fact 10. The Toyota Corolla is the best-selling car in automotive history, with over 50 million units sold worldwide since 1966. Fact 11. The Corolla kept relatively simple mechanical designs over generations, helping build its reputation for durability. Fact 12. It's common to find Corollas still running with 185,000 to over 300,000 miles without major engine repairs. Fact 13. The Camry was created because the Corolla was becoming too small for the American market. It was designed as the next step up. Fact 14. For many years, the Camry was the best-selling passenger car in the United States, outperforming brands like Ford and Chevrolet. Fact 15. The RAV4 was one of the first compact SUVs ever made. When it launched, no one was quite sure what category it fit into. Fact 16. The name RAV4 stands for Recreational Active Vehicle with Four-Wheel Drive, which was very unusual at the time. Fact 17. The Toyota Prius was the world's first mass-produced hybrid car, launched in the late 1990s. Fact 18. Toyota launched the Prius before there was real demand for hybrid cars. Early on, it lost money, but the company kept the project for strategic reasons. Fact 19. Toyota has sold millions of hybrid vehicles worldwide, significantly reducing fuel consumption in major cities. Fact 20. Unlike many competitors, Toyota does not put all its focus on fully electric vehicles. Fact 21. Along with hybrids, Toyota also invests in electric vehicles and hydrogen-powered technology. Fact 22. The Toyota Mirai runs on hydrogen fuel cells and emits only water vapor. Fact 23. The name Mirai means future in Japanese. Fact 24. Toyota owns Lexus, a luxury brand created to compete directly with BMW, Mercedes-Benz, and Audi. Fact 25. Lexus quickly gained a reputation for producing extremely quiet and highly reliable vehicles. Fact 26. The Toyota Celica was created as an affordable sports car long before the Supra existed. In several generations, it outsold the Supra. Fact 27. The Toyota Supra didn't start as an icon. It began as a larger, more powerful version of the Celica. Fact 28. The Toyota Supra became one of the most iconic Japanese sports cars in history. Fact 29. The Supra's 2JZ engine is known for handling power far beyond stock without sacrificing durability. Fact 30. The Toyota Land Cruiser is considered one of the most durable SUVs ever built. Fact 31. The Land Cruiser is widely used in extreme environments, including African deserts and mountainous regions. Fact 32. In many countries, the Land Cruiser is used by military forces, NGOs, and expedition teams. Fact 33. The Toyota Tacoma is one of the best-selling mid-size pickup trucks in the United States and has led the segment for years. Fact 34. The Toyota Hilux is not sold in the United States, but it's legendary worldwide for one reason: extreme durability. Fact 35. The Hilux became famous globally after the TV show Top Gear tried to destroy it multiple times, and it kept running. Fact 36. Toyota usually releases new technologies only after long testing periods, reducing long-term reliability issues. Fact 37. Toyota Gazoo Racing is the brand's motorsports division, competing in rally and endurance racing. Fact 38. The GR Yaris isn't sold in the US. It was built mainly for Europe and Japan, with rally homologation in mind. Fact 39. Toyota is known for engines that can tolerate low-quality fuel. Fact 40. In many parts of the world, Toyota vehicles are widely used as taxis due to their durability. Fact 41. Toyota is often ranked among automakers with the lowest rates of serious recalls. Fact 42. For decades, Toyota intentionally avoided adding excessive technology to certain models to make repairs easier in poorer regions. Fact 43. The company keeps records of competitors' past failures to study what should not be repeated. Fact 44. Toyota employs engineers dedicated solely to studying how its vehicles age over time. Fact 45. Toyota avoids releasing identical global models because it believes drivers around the world don't drive the same way. These were 45 incredible facts about Toyota, from its foundation to the most modern innovations shaping the automotive industry today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.